What is the most useful programming language in 2024? The answer isn't as clear-cut as you might think. It depends on various factors like the task, the environment, your personal preference. Let's dive into a comparison of several popular programming languages to see where they shine and where they fall short. Whether you're a seasoned programmer or a newcomer to the field, you've likely encountered a variety of programming languages. Each of these has its own unique strengths and weaknesses and is often better suited for certain tasks than others. Let's start with Python. Python is often praised for its simplicity and readability, making it a great choice for newcomers. It's also widely used in data science, thanks to its robust libraries for data manipulation and analysis. Next, we have JavaScript, the dominant force in web development. Its strength lies in its ubiquity. It's everywhere on the web, and it's indispensable for creating interactive and dynamic websites. However, it also has its drawbacks, with some programmers finding it less structured and more difficult to manage on larger projects. Then there's C++, known for its performance and control. It's a language that allows you to get down to the nitty-gritty of your computer's hardware, making it perfect for system programming and game development. However, this level of control also comes with increased complexity, which can be a hurdle for beginners. As you can see, each language has its own unique set of strengths and weaknesses. So what's the verdict? Which programming language takes the crown in 2024? As we've seen, it's not a one-size-fits-all answer. The most useful language hinges on your unique needs and objectives. Perhaps Python's simplicity beckons you, or maybe Java's versatility fits your bill. Could be JavaScript's ubiquity that ticks your boxes. The key is to explore, learn, and experiment with different languages to uncover what works best for you. Remember, the best programming language is often the one that helps you effectively and efficiently solve your problems. Happy coding!